When material is undergoing a rolling process, the rollers are imparting certain amount of force upon the work material which is deforming it, which is changing its shape. This particular force is what we call a average force or a average rolling force, which is given by average pressure into area. And here the average pressure is given by this expression 2 by under root 3 sigma F bar 1 plus mu L by 4H. Here sigma F bar is the average flow stress that we have studied in the very beginning of the course. Here H is H naught plus H1 by 2, that means initial height plus final height by 2, that is your average height of the work material. Now this average force would be given by again average pressure into area, where the area is width into length, width of the work material and length of the deformation zone for the particular area. And the length of deformation zone we have calculated as under root R del H. Now the torque for this particular corresponding force would be given by F average into del L or lambda L. Here lambda is the arm factor. Just like a safety factor, it is a fixed quantity, 0.45 for cold rolling and 0.5 for hot rolling. And last but not the least, we have rolling power, which is simply given by 2 pi Nt by 60 into number of rollers.